What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today is an awesome day, and today's video is going to be an awesome video because, as we all know, I live here now. My family situation is a lot different, which means that I hardly ever get to see Sydney anymore. But in today's video, I'm going to get to see her again, and so will you guys, because time flies. I've noticed the older you get. And Sydney is now 16. She has her driver's permit. How crazy is that? I think the first time she was in a video, she was like 7 or 8.
Wouldn't it be cool if there was a big, huge TV?
I know. Wouldn't that be awesome if there was a big, huge TV in the car?
I think there are cars like that.
And now she's 16. And she has her own car, her first car. Because a couple months ago, Heather asked me to come along and take a look at a car that she wanted to buy for Sydney. So of course I tagged along, we checked out the car. Long story short, she ended up buying it. Sydney has seen the car, so it's not like it's a delivery video or anything, but she will be getting her second driving lesson ever in today's upload because Heather wants her to learn how to drive on the car that she'll actually be driving once she has her driver's license in 6 months. So we filmed this video about a month and a half ago, I think it was, and she did really well. But the first driving lesson she ever got was in the S65 that I had, and that was summer 2023, so that's 2 years ago. She hasn't, gotten a driving lesson since. Today is her second time, and I'm excited to see her again. I think you guys are excited to see her on video again as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna meet up with her at a local park close to where they live. She's not ready to go out on the streets yet. And she's gonna get to drive the car that she will be driving once she has her license. I'm excited to see her again. With no further ado, here we go.
What do I do?
Sid, what up though? It's been forever since you were on the channel. I think the last time you were on the channel,
year and a half.
was it the first driving lesson video? In the Benz. Part two in the Jeep Renegade. I don't know, this was probably in the thumbnail already, people knew. And I told them earlier already, this is not a delivery video because you've seen it already, mom brought it home to you and all that stuff. But today, since you're 16 in like 2 months, you might as well get a driving lesson again. I mean, we're just gonna get right to it. You've only driven a car, driven a car once, and that was the Benz. So yeah, let's hop in. First, do you know anything about remote start and stuff?
Yeah, lock and then this twice.
So that's for a Ford. You hit lock and then twice. On this car, you just gotta hit it twice, like that.
Nice.
It takes a little while. The Ford is quicker. So once you get to driving, you're in college and all that stuff, and depending on where you go to college, and it's cold outside and you can just remote start it and it's warm. So here, grab the key fob, put it in your pocket.
I don't have a pocket.
Of course not. Hop in. And then you got to get your seat situated and stuff. You know how to do that,
you
right?
were sitting here.
Yep.
Last time we got hate because I was up so far. Well, let's try and make people angry.
Well, I mean, you're tiny.
All these complainers.
It was more that you were sitting too close to the steering wheel
They're
initially.
like, she's gonna get hurt. All right, I'm going 10 miles per hour.
Yeah, so just get up, and then I'll hop in, and then you got to get your mirror situated too. Sid. Hello? Not with the fob. There's a button. You don't have to do that with the fob. There's buttons right here. So you can put the fob here now.
You can adjust it a little bit.
Yeah. Get up.
Oh,
all right.
great.
And then foot on the brake.
Do I do 1, 2, or do I do 1, 2?
No, you only use one foot.
Okay, I was thinking about that the other day. I was like, I know that I forget which one it is.
Yeah, right foot. So foot on the brake and then hit the start button. There you go. And now you hit it. There you go. And now you can let go of the brake because it's in park, so it's not going to go anywhere. Move a minute. Let me know when you see a little bit of the car.
I see the car.
Yeah. And on this side, it's the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but then you got to adjust that one too. Yeah. So adjust it so you can see out the rear. I can't tell, so you got to do it yourself.
That's perfect.
So you remember what to do now, or?
put my foot on the brake and then
Yeah,
put it
but
in
with
drive?
your right foot.
Oh, yeah.
Right foot. There, keep your foot on the brake. All right? Make sure that there's no one behind you.
No one behind me.
Yeah.
Am I going to just drive up there?
Yeah, so just take your foot off the brake pedal. And don't hit the gas pedal yet. There you go. Yeah, now you can hit the gas pedal a little bit. Careful. There you go. Oh yeah, seatbelts. I'm a bad teacher. You need to put your seatbelt on. So come to a stop. Whoa! Were you like joking there, or?
Yeah, I was joking.
I don't know if I believe you, but whatever. All right, you see, look to your left here. See, there's a car coming over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So when you come to the stop sign here, you gotta stop. All right, stop. Okay, now you go, because he's waiting for you. Make a right turn.
Tell me if I'm going to hit the
Yep,
curb.
turn the, no, turn right. There you go. And then drive up here in the parking lot, like pointing that way. Go. Good job. And just let that car pass you. Come to a stop. Good job.
Go. Okay.
By the way, we're just in a park. I'm not letting her drive on this road yet. Keep going. Follow that car.
Now, guys, will we get any hate? Is this completely
Getting
safe?
hate.
What if I
Don't
just
hit
and
don't
then
hit this
guy?
jogger guy here.
What if I just like?
No.
I'm joking. It's obviously a joke. This is fun. I like this.
I know you liked it last time too.
I did, but this is more driving than I did last time. Like last time, it was
I mean,
just in
not
a little
yet.
parking
It's not.
lot.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, technically you're driving on a street. So you stay here. Don't pull all the way up to the curb here now, and then stop at the sign. You're stopping a little too early.
I know.
All right, but you stopped. Wait.
I know. What is that guy doing?
Yeah, you're not used to that. Yeah, but you're taking out the turn a little too far, but that's okay.
Because I'm worried I'm gonna hit the curb.
This curb?
Yeah.
No. This is why Mom bought you a Jeep, because it has a lot of tire. It doesn't really matter that much if you hit the curb. If you would have hit the curb in my car that has like not a lot of tire, that would be bad.
Yeah.
So yeah, just go over here to the big parking lot. Like hella construction and stuff going on here now.
Yeah, we'll just turn around here.
Yeah. Yeah, but now you're gonna hit this big old.
No, I'm not.
Whoa.
I know.
You having fun?
I am having so much fun.
Do you like your new Jeep or what?
I love it.
It's a Trailhawk. It's got cool red lettering and stuff
Can I
here.
go around
You got
here?
yeah, you have to go around. That's the law. All right, you can slow down a little bit. Yeah, turn.
Sorry, I just hit the brakes a little bit because I'm kind of worried it was going to be too fast there.
Stop.
Stop sign? I know.
Good.
You have to get used to like switching. Boom,
Right.
Boom, boom.
And then when you take your driver's test, you have to completely stop, like to a standstill.
Really?
What you did there is like a California roll.
So
You just-
I'd have to go.
See here? Yeah, you have to go complete stop.
Okay. Thanks for letting me know that. I don't think they tell you that.
Oh yeah, they tell you that big time. No
Before
one
you
ever
take it?
really. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, your parents are supposed to tell you that. You know what I mean? Step parent too, which is why you're here with me.
Mm-hmm.
So you're taking the turn out way too long. You got tons of lane here.
Now we know.
But I know you're getting a feel for it and everything. But
I'm
you're gonna
going
have
5
this.
miles under.
Yeah, you're gonna have this car for a long time.
Hopefully 10
I mean,
years at least.
I don't know about 10 years, but all through college at least. And then you're going to trade this car in because the title will be transferred over to your name, and then you trade
I
it in.
noticed it goes faster down the hill. Like, I feel like,
Yeah, that's called gravity.
yeah, that's like,
What?
that like surprised me a little bit. Like, I wasn't even pressing the gas that hard. I'm like, why am I going
Yeah,
17
gravity.
miles an hour? Oh, because gravity. Right.
Yeah, gravity. You have a 4.6 GPA. You don't understand gravity?
Yeah, I know. Crazy, right?
All right, you're going a little fast here.
I know.
And there's a stop sign.
And there's gonna be a cop. I bet. Be like, you're going 3 miles, I bet.
And then you go down there and you make a left and go to where we were.
I know.
All right?
Can we go around again?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cool. It's got all these red accents here and stuff. It's a nice car. First car for you.
It's such a nice car, and it's comfy.
Yeah. So what I was saying is, once you're ready to get a new car, when you're done with college and all that stuff, you're gonna have to trade this in, and then you take the equity out of this car, and then you put it into a new car, and then you're gonna have to pay for it yourself. Make the payments and all that stuff. And yeah, hold on, you gotta push this button in. See this button here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. That was fun.
Yeah, you did really good. So now, I guess what we're gonna do is you're gonna back into one of these parking spots. You see these lines here? I'm gonna get out and coach you. All right,
Okay.
so put your window all the way down.
So what I'm guessing is, can I just go through a walkthrough real quick? My guess is that I put it in drive, I pull out,
Yeah, pull out. You're so Pittsburgh.
and then I put it in reverse. And
Yeah.
then I just lightly tap on the go, and then I just back in, and then I just...
Yeah, so you're gonna use your mirrors.
How do I put this down a little bit?
Yeah, just put it down. Yeah, like that.
Oh, that's...
But then remember last time when you did the backing up in the Mercedes?
Yeah.
Remember I told you that nowadays you guys are blessed with having a backup camera. Back in like my day and mommy's day and daddy's day.
It just automatically turns on when I put it in.
Yeah, we didn't have that. So we had to use the mirrors and actually turn our head and stuff and use the mirrors properly. You're gonna pull out here and then you back into this spot right here or that spot right there, okay? And then, hey, keep an eye and make sure that no one's coming here and stuff. This is a one way, so it's technically only people coming from there. All right, turn. There you go. Pull up a little further. Now you can straighten the wheel. There you go. All right, hit the brake. Yeah, go just a little slower. Turn to the, whoa, 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 whoa. Pull up again. All right, so what you're gonna do now is when you put it in reverse, don't use the gas pedal. Just take your foot off the brake pedal and the car goes on its own. And just use the brake pedal. There you go. Use the mirrors as well. Look at that. All right, stop.
Collaborate and listen.
Okay. So you're in your parking lane. It's a little crooked, but that doesn't really matter as long as you're within the lines here. So you did good.
Thank you.
Half is that.
Did I cook?
Yeah, you cooked. I'm such a teenager. All right, so hey, hang your head out here. Do you see how it's a little crooked?
Oh.
Yeah, so what you're gonna do is pull back out and then try to straighten it so it comes completely straight, okay? Wait, all right, whatever. Yeah, turn to the left. That's right. Sydney, left. Sydney, stop. See, you're turning to the right. You're like more crooked now.
Okay.
So it's better, you got to learn to use the mirrors as well, not just the backup camera, okay? So when you start backing up, you're gonna see this white line pop up in the mirror, and you can kind of line the car up with that. All right, so pull back out. Don't use the gas pedal. Look in your left mirror. Yeah, turn. Yeah, see, now you see you got to turn left. Good job. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Stop. That's good. That's good.
Good.
Yeah, you did good.
Good.
Put it in park. Because if you take your foot off the brake now and you're not thinking about it, then it just starts rolling backwards and then you freak out. All right, you want to do one more lap or what?
Yes, we'll do one more lap.
All right.
That was fun. I like the laps.
So when you do this, You just got to make sure it's always to the right.
Yeah, what's the plus for?
It's if you want to shift manually, you can shift but on your own. But never mind, you don't need to be knowing about that right now. So.
Yeah, I don't want to shift manually.
Yeah. All right, so hit that way. All right, keep an eye here so people don't come walking around the corner here. You can't see. Yeah, good. So you have your foot ready to hit the brake. That's perfect.
This is fun. I like this.
Well, everyone likes learning how to drive. It's great. It's such freedom to have your own car and be able to drive.
We still have 3 more stop signs to track.
Yeah, we do. Hey. Keep your eyes on the road. No, you weren't. You were looking straight over there. There's no one coming from the hill jumping up here.
I think this is fast. I wonder what it's like on a highway.
Yeah, you're not ready for that yet.
I won't be. I probably
Good
won't
job.
be ready.
Yeah, this is how you're supposed to turn. That was perfect. So when you learn to you get a feel for your own car, you know, you're not gonna hit something and stuff. You know what I mean?
Mhm. Do they grade your driver's test based on how abruptly you stop?
I mean, if you're slamming on the brakes like you did the first time, they're gonna wonder what the hell you're doing.
What if I go
But you're not gonna be doing that. You're learning.
like this?
No, that's perfect.
That's not bad.
No. Not bad. But now you're driving in the middle of the road. You gotta go over here. They'll definitely hit you on that.
No,
You gotta stay in your lane.
It's not too abrupt.
No, that's perfect.
Okay.
It's only if you go.
Yeah.
And you're
Right.
sometimes you have to do that if someone runs out in front of you or something.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't do that when you just drive it normally, especially not on a driver's test. All right, you're doing good.
I like this. This is fun. This is where it got really fast.
Yeah. See, you're still in the middle of the road, though. You got to over here in your lane. There you go.
That's what most people do, but I have to come to an exact stop. Really? All the way over here?
Yeah, you got to stay in your lane. So look here, yeah. And then keep an eye on this mirror here. Here. Yeah. So hit the brake, hit the brake, hit the brake, hit. Yeah. That's kind of what I said. You didn't have to do this. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Park.
Yeah.
Park.
You just whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay.
And then keep your foot on the brake. Then you put it in park.
Okay.
Sydney literally threw her own car in reverse. No. Yeah, she threw her own car in park while going in reverse. That didn't harm it or anything.
That's
But
scary.
do you have any idea how many videos I've done on that in my cars?
Yeah.
That went mega viral?
Yeah.
And you did that by mistake. I don't think you understand the magnitude. That's hilarious.
Wait, what? What's bad about it?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's called a parking pall. And that's if you do that too much, that it's hard to explain. But when you put it in park, it's supposed to keep the car in park. If that thing is really bad, technically, it can go out of park. That's why you have hand brakes and electronic, parking brakes and all that stuff. All right, Sid, there it is. Your second driving lesson. You did really good.
I am.
Yeah.
That was fun.
In your own car. You're not allowed to drive it by yourself yet because you don't have your driver's license. So you get your permit when you turn 16.
First place I'm going, Starbucks.
Yeah, but that's just your permit though. You
With
can't drive by
somebody-
yourself.
I can technically drive wherever I want with someone in the passenger seat.
Yeah, but you gotta be ready though.
How long do you think it'll take me to get on the highway?
A while. You gotta take several lessons before you do that. You gotta be secure. You can't be now there's no traffic and stuff here.
Mm-hmm.
So there was only one car coming and they were going 10 miles an hour. You were going 10 miles an hour. I said, stop, you gotta look over there. If someone comes at you 65, you're gonna freak.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
The
But-
highway sounds so scary.
Yeah, eventually that'll be just like driving around here. You get used to it because you get more secure as you're driving and stuff.
Scary.
Yeah, but you did really well. So when you're 16 and a half, that's when you get your actual license.
December.
It
is April.
Mm-hmm.
So, not too long.
Not too long.
Not too
You
far.
did good.
Not too far ahead up the road.
And it was fun to see you again. We got to do
Yes.
that spicy noodle challenge
We
on,
do.
on the personal channel.
Yeah.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.